Based on user requirements, there is a need for a new communication system for public safety organizations. And now what they need is to have reliable communications with broadband services. And what we have to achieve now is to allow them to have portable devices which are capable to provide new services such as video and messages. There is also a need when there is a disaster to have new system architectures. And in this new system architecture, there is a need of, for example, UAVs for some dedicated systems. For example, if we want to take some pictures or if we want to take some videos, we can use UAV, but for an amount of time which is limited due to their battery consumptions. And there is another mean that is very useful for the new communication system for public safety, which is the use of tethered balloons. With tethered balloons, we do not have the problem of autonomy because there is no need of batteries or of power for these balloons. They are only floating by themselves. But we can embed in these new balloons some communication infrastructure, and that's what we are trying to do in the scope of Absolute European project. We will embark some inert bees on the tethered balloons in order to have a large coverage and a communication networks in case of disaster relief, because all the terrestrial infrastructures will be destroyed. So thanks to these new system architectures based on tethered balloons, we will be able to offer to first responders a large coverage with broadband services. And we have some new challenges to face, because if LTE could be a good candidate for this kind of networks, there are still some functionalities that are needed for these communication needs. For example, there is a need for direct communication between UEs, there is a need of group communications, and there is a need also for resilience. So these topics are understood in 3GPP, but there is still a need for research on these topics. And also, with regard to the standardization, European Standard Institute has a good role to play, because we need to have interoperability between the different organizations, and it's very important to try to have standards for the public safety communication networks. So I think that European projects can play a very important role for the new standards for public safety organizations, and also European projects can play an important role in order to have frequencies allocated for public safety organizations.